from the Woodlands Waterway in the Woodlands, Texas. Toups Graphics brings you another 6th grade math STAAR quiz. Question number 1. What ratio is not equivalent to 6 to 10? Is it A, 3 to 5, B, 9 to 15, C, 12 to 25, or D, 15 to 25? On your own paper, solve the problem and show your work. Let's see how you did. The first step is to rewrite 6 to 10 as a fraction. 6 over 10 can be simplified by dividing by 2, the GCF. This would give you a simplified fraction of 3 over 5. Taking your simplified fraction of 3 over 5, now continue writing multiples of the same numerator and denominator. You would get 6 over 10, 9 over 15, 12 over 20, and so on. Look at your answer choices. Which ratio is not equivalent to 6 over 10? 3 over 5 is present, 9 over 15 is present, and so is 15 over 25. 12 over 25 is not equivalent to 6 over 10. The correct answer is C. 6 over 10 and 12 to 25 are not equivalent. Question 2. What are the prime factors of 84? A, 2 to the second times 3 times 7. B, 7 times 12. C, 4 times 21. Or D, 2 to the second times 3 to the second times 7. Make a prime factor tree of 84 to get your answer. One possible way to prime factor 84 would be with this factor tree. If you were to circle the bottom factors of the factor tree, you would see that you would have 2 times 2 times 3 as the prime factors of 84. You could rewrite the two 2's using an exponent of 2. That would give you 2 to the second power times 3 times 7, which is equal to choice A. Question 3. A line that connects the center of a circle to any point on the circle is called the A, diameter, B, circumference, C, pi, or D, radius. First, let's get rid of the incorrect choices. The circumference is the distance around the circle. Therefore, B is incorrect. Pi is the ratio comparing the circumference to the diameter. So C is incorrect. That leaves A and D as your two choices. It takes 2 radiuses to make a diameter, and the diameter goes all the way across the circle through the center. So the correct answer is D, radius. Question 4. A triangle has 2 angles that measure 35 and 60 degrees. What expression gives you x, the measure of the third angle? A, 180 minus parentheses 35 plus 60. close parentheses, B, 180 minus 35 plus 60, C, 360 minus parentheses 35 plus 60 close parentheses, or D, 35 plus 60 minus 180. First, let's get rid of the wrong answers. A triangle's angles have a sum of 180 degrees. This eliminates choice C. Now you must subtract the two angles from 180. That eliminates choice D. That gets us to choice A or choice B. To get the answer, you must first find the sum of 35 and 60, which is done with the parentheses in choice A. So B is incorrect. Question 5. 5 over 8 is equivalent to what decimal? A, 58 hundredths, B, 625 thousandths, C, 1 6/10, or D, 3/10. First, let's get rid of incorrect answers. Since 5 over 8 is a quantity less than 1, C is not a possible answer choice. 5 over 8 is also a quantity that is more than 1/2. That eliminates choice D, since 3/10 is less than 1/2. To get the answer, we must convert 5 over 8 into a division problem. 5 over 8 means 5 divided by 8. You would rewrite your division problem with the numerator inside and the denominator outside. Since 8 won't divide into 5, we need to add a decimal with 3 zeros. By doing the process of division and dividing 8 into 5.000, you would get the answer of 625 thousandths. The correct answer is B, 625 thousandths. And finally, let's do a problem with more power. Number 6. A square has a perimeter of 48 centimeters. What is the area of the square in square centimeters? Would it be A, 24, B, 96, C, 100, or D, 144? To do the problem, draw a square and see if you can figure out how long each side is. To get the answer, you need to find how long one edge of the square is. A square has 4 equal side lengths, so you would divide the perimeter of 48 by 4 to get the length of one side. 48 divided by 4 would be 12. Now that you know the edge of the square is 12, you need to square it to get the area. 12 times 12 would be 144. The correct answer would be D, 144. This video has been produced by Toups Graphics. Toups Graphics. Always believe.